This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon. My name is Candice Nicolo. I am the Exhibitor Services Account Manager for Lead Retrieval for the RVX trade show. Convention Data Services is your registration provider. XPress Leads is part of Convention Data Services, and we are your contracted lead retrieval provider. For this show, we are offering the XPress Connect app and the XPress Connect Plus. The XPress Connect app is an application that you can use on Android or Apple phone or tablet devices. It does offer you survey capability. All of your staff can collect leads. You don't have to share a device. How you do that is by adding additional activations, and the cost for additional activations are $130. You can collect leads anywhere. You're not tied to your booth. You can go anywhere on the trade floor. You can collect leads while you're in your hotel if you run into someone who has a badge and you can scan it. All of the leads are in real time on the exhibitor portal. They can be downloaded into an Excel format. You can forward your lead to anybody back in your home office after you scan them in. You can email the attendee immediately after you scan them in. Up in the right-hand corner, you'll see where it says try our demo. If you go ahead and click that link, it'll bring you to our demo page where you can actually download the app and test it out before you purchase so you can really see the true functionality of how it works. Our XPress Connect handheld is a device that we would provide for you to use. It runs very similar to the XPress Connect app as it has the same software. However, with it being our device, the email forwarding and the immediate follow-up would not be available on our device. However, we still do allow for those electronic notes. There are no cords. We do ask that you do charge this in your hotel room overnight, but you don't need electricity to operate the XPress Connect Plus. It does have the survey capability, and it also does offer the real-time leads in Excel from the exhibitor portal, just like the XPress Connect app. Customization is a way for you to put in a pre-programmed note, which you can do right before the show. You have the ability to build a survey where you'll ask the question and you can have multiple answers where you just select the answer that pertains to that question, or you can just have one-line qualifiers, whichever you prefer. It does allow you to gain more information about that attendee, and it also saves you time because you're not typing in the same note again and again. You've already got it pre-programmed ahead of time. For additional information about customization, go ahead and click that additional information link and a form will pop up which will explain more in detail about how exactly it works and how it can benefit you. Literature fulfillment is new for 2019. This is a way for you to upload all of your product brochures and PDFs. Instead of bringing them to the show, already have them programmed into your app to send to that attendee after you scan them in. Save all that paper. Go ahead, upload your PDFs and your brochures, and then you select which ones that attendee is interested in, and then you'll see right on the right, that's an email that you can pre-program that will go in, and then whichever PDFs or brochures you select to go to that attendee, they'll be listed in there. They will get this email right from the app within 5 minutes of you sending, and they just click that link and they already have your PDF and your brochure. No need to go back and send it to them after the show, and you don't need to send them off with a bunch of paperwork. It's already in their email for them. I do have an additional information link as well, which will open up a PDF, which will offer you more information about how the literature fulfillment works. So go ahead and take a look at that if you're curious. Lastly, we have what's called the XPress Connect portal. This is where you're going to go to get your leads after the show. Now, this will show you all of the devices that you have at the show. It'll give you your username, your terminal ID, how many scans have scanned in at the show. It'll give you the ability to download everyone together or download each file separately. It's going to break down and give you a day-by-day scan. If you do have any other questions about the portal, or once you've created your purchase, you'll be able to visit the portal to see other functionalities that it has, such as setting up your customization if you purchase it, or your literature fulfillment if you do decide to upgrade to that feature as well. If you do have any other questions about lead retrieval, you can always contact our general line listed at the top via phone or email, or you can contact me directly. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. And if you're ready to order, go ahead and click that click here link. That's going to bring you right to the ordering page, or you can type in that URL and just put in the show code. We're here to help. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful show.